Hi and welcome back to another video, and welcome back to the channel. Now, as you can see from the thumbnail, today we're going to be changing the wing mirror switch, and as you can see from this, it's broken. There seems to be a common fault on these. They just go. So we're going to be changing this for a new one and replacing it. Now, I've never done that before, so you'll be following me through the process, and if you haven't done it before and you're watching this video, then obviously you'll be able to get an idea of what needs to be done, and hopefully we'll be successful. Well, we will be successful, and you'll have a good idea of what to do if you're in the same position. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, and hit the like button if you like the video, and obviously any comments are always welcome. So all that's to do is get stuck in and have a go at changing this wing mirror switch. Ignition's on and that's not working at all because that's come out, so we'll discard that. Awkward. Okay, so you get your trim tool underneath here and you start pulling and going along the edge of it, and it will make some noises like it's breaking, but it's just the clips coming out of the handle here that makes like a popping sound. So don't be too scared to give it a bit of a pull, and when you hear those sounds, don't think that you're breaking it, you're not. So we lift it out like so, and just along here, if you can see, there is where the electrical wire loom is for the mirror component, and we've got to get that out somehow. So just there is a little clip that you push in with your finger and pull it out, and now we've got to get this out. So the screwdriver to prise it out, and now we've got to work out how it comes out. It's a bit of a funny shape. So the best way to get it out is just pull along here and push it out from there, and on a tilt like that, and it comes out, and luckily no damage. Now, as you can see, this one is completely no good. And here we have the replacement part. Let's put that in. keep pushing, push your finger in there and it tends to slide back in. That's what I was just doing. There we go, it's in. Hey, now I can put the electric back together. Are we in? Best way to find out, turn the car on. Do we have working mirror? Oh, it was a minute ago. There you go. There we go, it's moving. Hey, it's working at last. Right, put this back in. So this slips back in like so, and there we have it, working mirrors. So just double check. So as you can see, the mirror switch is now working nicely. There we go. Nicely done and in position. Good job. Okay, so that was quite successful. The wing mirror now is working, as you can see, and yes, the job was a little bit fiddly, and I was just having a go and we got it done. So yeah, it's just a matter of taking your time, like I said before. Make sure you don't break any of the clips, and an easy job really. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Keep riding on.